A lot of times people give charity, it's a show business. Have you heard about Alibaba and the 40 thieves? You guys hear that? It's an Arabian story, right? And it went into Urdu, they call it what? Whatever, I don't know. Whatever, Charlie's Chur in Urdu. In English, it's Alibaba and the 40 thieves. Have you heard about that story? Have you seen it? You know, that's a little taqwa example. I want some of you go home with that. Put it in your pipe and smoke it and digest it, even though you can't eat in Ramadan. You see who that person was who was in charge of the 40 thieves? He was the most pious man in town. You guys remember that story? Long beard. Oh boy, maybe long till here. Mama, go. He was the holiest in town. He cared for the orphans in town. He fed the poor in town. He cared for the people. Everybody went to him as though he was the little Raja, the little king of the town, the holiest caring person in town, when at the end of the day, he was the worst crook, conman, vagabond, and thief in the community. In the public eyes, he was a saint. In secret, he was the biggest killer, murderer, destroyer, and thief. He had 40 thieves that will rob everybody. And he had all his treasure hidden. Kulja Sim Sim, as they say. You remember that saying? Open Sim Sim. Very famous. They got this movie in all these cartoon in Urdu, in Arabic, a lot of languages over the world because it's an interesting lesson. Don't let Ramadan do that to us. A lot of us are like that in Ramadan, and Auzubillah, forgive me, Allah. That's why I said I'm going to sound a little different today. You know, when I go out of town and come back, I get a little more ballistic because I see a little more reality in life. A lot of people, when Ramadan comes, we pretend everything. We complete many Quran. Yeah, we don't pretend. We really complete Quran. We really fast. We really do iftar. But you know, at the end of the day, we don't care about anybody else. We didn't get that God consciousness in us like that Alibaba and the 40 thieves story. We just do it as a society show business. It's a fake business. It's a monkey see, monkey do business. It's what everybody's seen us praying Taraweeh, reading Quran, going Salah, fasting with them. Oh, it's a big thing. But have we changed the God consciousness level inside of us?